Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to add fonts in Canva. So let's get started. I have already logged into my Canva dashboard area. If you don't have Canva, just navigate to canva.com and sign up for your free version. Well, fonts come in every other day when we're doing designs, whether you are creating a flyer or creating a document or a video. So here, I'll be showing you on how to manipulate your text using fonts to make it give your design that look you've been looking for. So I'll navigate into the templates area, and from the different template designs that are offered, you can choose any of your choice depending on the design. If I select business, for example, there are a number of business templates that I can use, and some of them are already presented in here. So from the business, I will want to choose a flyer. I'll click on the flyer menu, and Canva will reveal all the designs that are in the category flyers, from travel to explore. And what is unique in these templates is that you can tell all the fonts are not the same. This one looks different, this one looks different, and this one definitely looks different. So how do you manipulate your text to have this kind of variance in your fonts? So I'll select a blank flyer option. I'm now navigated into the design mode with different designs that I can choose from. I want us to create a text and manipulate it from scratch rather than using the already existing templates. So to do that, on the left panel, I'll navigate to text, and notice that from the text flyout menu, there are a variety of fonts that you may want to use. For example, if I like this, it's simply clicking on it and it pops up on your design. So to create your own, navigate back to text, select the heading by clicking, and the text that appears here can now be manipulated with any font of choice. I'll want to move this text a little bit lower so we can see the differences. Now notice that whenever I click the text, I have the control options at the top here. And since in this video we are manipulating the text font, then I'll navigate into the text font drop down, and a font flyout menu will pop up. From this flyout menu, I have a variety of font type and designs that I can work with. For instance, I may choose to pick some that are already existing into my document, like this font of this text that I have on my document is available in the document font area. And if I click, it picks up whatever font is in my design. I can also decide to have other different fonts that exist. For example, if I want Helvetica World, then my text moves into Helvetica World. Notice I also have others at the very top section that requires more customizations to make your font look awesome. For instance, I can select the graph display, and that is how my text will look like. Well, there you have it, folks. That is how you manipulate the font type of your text within Canva. I hope this video has been informative, and if you liked it, hit that subscribe button as I'll see you in the next nugget.